Hey everyone, welcome back. If this is your first time here, I'm Özgür from Assistflow.ai. We create AI-powered call center systems and hologram experiences for both entry-level users and enterprise clients. Right now, we're helping companies upgrade their cloud-based IVR systems using AI. If you're interested in consulting or getting a quote, there's a link below where you can schedule a meeting. But this video is especially for individual users, startups, and small teams. Are you wondering how to build your own AI system at minimal cost? Do you want to offer this as a service? Or maybe you're looking to join our developer team? Then you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to build an outbound AI-powered call center with the lowest possible cost. Here's the basic setup we'll be using. VAPI for outbound AI voice calls. Vermer Telecom to get a Turkish phone number. Make.com for automation, retries, and campaign logic. So what is VAPI? VAPI is a platform that allows your AI assistant to make real phone calls. Each assistant can handle up to 10 simultaneous outbound calls. To use a Turkish or international number, first get the number from a provider, in our case, Vermer Telecom, and connect it to VAPI using SIP transfer. A quick note, if you want to scale beyond 10 calls at once, you'll need to increase the limits on both VAPI and your SIP provider. What about unanswered calls? Things like no response, busy lines, or customers asking for a callback. We'll use Make.com to build a fully automated workflow. I'll guide you through it step by step and share a working blueprint you can start using right away. Keep in mind, Make.com is powerful, but it can be one of the most expensive parts of your setup. So manage your budget carefully. The good news? VAPI recently launched a feature to reduce dependency on external tools like Make. It's still new, but already showing strong potential. Still, for advanced workflows, like redialing missed calls or handling callbacks, Make is the best option for now, and I'll show you how to use it. If you're also looking for basic tutorials, how to sign up for VAPI, use the dashboard, or configure your first call, I've included helpful links in the video description. Here's what we'll cover. Buying a number from Vermer, connecting it to VAPI via SIP, setting up your AI assistant, creating Make.com automations, sharing a working campaign blueprint, and a quick cost breakdown with key tips. By the end of this video, you'll have your own outbound AI call system, ready to scale or even offer as a service. Let's begin. Step 1. Buy a number from Vermer. If you're outside the United States, you can still make outbound AI calls. Make sure you follow local calling regulations. To begin, register on Vermer Telecom's website. Submit the required documents and sign the agreement. Once your account is approved, you'll receive your phone number. Step 2. Connect Vermer SIP to VAPI. Log into your VAPI dashboard. From the bottom left menu, go to Settings, then Integrations. Scroll down and find SIP Trunk credentials. Click Add New. In the name field, type a name for your SIP, such as Vermer SIP. In the IP address field, type 185.242.160.207. Leave the other fields as they are. Click Add. Step 3. Add your phone number to VAPI. From the left menu, click Phone Numbers. Then click Create Phone Number. In the pop-up, select Bring Your Own SIP Trunk. Type your phone number with a plus sign, no spaces. Check the box for E164 format. From the drop-down, choose the SIP you just created. Give it a name. After it's added, click your number. Then choose your AI agent from the drop-down list. If you don't have one, create it now. Inbound setup is complete. Step 4. Enable outbound calling. To make outbound calls, contact Vermer and request outbound permission. Also ask them to add your number to their switch. Once approved, outbound calls will be enabled. Now you're ready to build outbound campaigns. There are two methods. First, using Make.com automation. Second, using VAPI's native outbound tool. Make.com, Scenario 1. Making the call. Open Google Drive. Create a new Google Sheet. Add these columns: phone number, name, last name, email, status, call result, time, cost, recording, transcript. Go to Make.com and create a new scenario. Add the Google Sheets module. Connect your new sheet. Filter rows where status is not called. Set a limit of 10 calls. Add an iterator. Add an aggregator if needed. Add an HTTP module. Set the URL to https://api.vapi.ai/call. Method post. Header. Authorization. Bearer, followed by your VAPI API key. Body type, raw, JSON. Paste your call, JSON here. Update the phone number ID and webhook URL. Then, add a Google Sheets module to update call status. Scenario 2. Status updates and follow-ups. Create a new webhook in make.com. Paste that webhook URL into your VAPI call JSON. When a call ends, the webhook receives data. Add an iterator. Check if the recording field has a link. If yes, update the status as successful. Send an email and SMS if needed. If the recording is empty, update the sheet with a reason, such as busy, no answer, SIP error, or low balance. You can now filter the failed calls and retry. Now, VAPI native outbound feature. Log into your VAPI dashboard. Go to Outbound. Upload your contact list. Choose a time. Click Start. To summarize, if you want to build everything yourself, I've shared the full code and all the blueprints. If you get stuck or need help, feel free to email us at support@Assistflow.ai. Or, if you'd prefer professional help for your project, you can schedule a consultation. All the links and resources used in this training video are available below in the video description, where you can download them for free from our website at Assistflow.ai.